Hi friends, as you can see there is an option for financials here. Once you click on the icon, you will have a list of 5 different components. The first of them is profit and loss reports, and if you want to see your profit and loss reports, then you can click on the first option. Or if you want to add any income or any expense, then you can click on the second option of add income and add expense. Once I click on the option, I will be given with two different options, add income and add expense. So if you want to add any income or an expense, then you can do this via here. So after any sale, you can add your income here, or after any stock purchase, you can equally add an expense here. So in a similar manner, if you have any other expenditure, so as you can see here, so for example, if you have advertised your product anywhere or any other expenditure of sorts, then you can add this here. And in the others option, you can write any information that you want with respect to the expenditure or the income. As you see, I've added expenditure of advertisement in my cart. The amount is 2500. So these are the 2500 rupees that we've received as a return for advertising a product. And I can also set a date, for example 12th May. And if I submit it, then I can clearly see below that in this option my income has been added by rupees 2500 for that particular day. In a similar manner, we also have this option to manage or view bills. And in manage and view bills, you have also been given an option to delete a bill, as you can see on the right side. If any of your bills are estimated bills, then you can definitely delete them right away. And as you can see, the Pakka bills cannot be deleted. And here, as you see, you also have been given an option where you can convert an estimated bill to a proper bill via this option. I'll demonstrate one of these. So if I click any of these bills, you can see that there is a confirm option where it asks you, are you sure you want to convert estimate to invoice? If I press confirm here, then you will be converting your estimate bill to an invoice now. In a similar manner, if you want to delete any bill, you can just go and click the delete option where it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete? If I confirm it, the bill will be deleted right away. And once if you check the tick box of do not ask me again, then they'll never ask you again if you want to delete any bill. So as you can see, there is an option for customer bills. Then there is also an option for supplier bills where all your suppliers or all your distributors are mentioned. Supplier bills for all the stocks that you have purchased. So all the bills for that will be here mentioned here. And in return bills, if any of your consumer has returned any product, then it will be shown here in return bills. And if you click on the option here, you can see view cash flow. So if you click on view cash flow, then on a daily basis, you can see the cash in and cash out amount. And you can clearly see all your daily transactions here. So as you can see, there are 4 options: estimate cash, estimate card, estimate wallet, or estimate udhar. You can see all these types of bills here. And here you can also add any income or add any expense of sorts. So for example, you can see the different types of expenses that you have. So for example, salaries, rents, bill, or any other expense or any other sort of expenditure, then you can always add that here as well. So for example, salary is one expense, right? So I'll add salary, then cash, and then let's say the amount is 4,000. And then we can set the date as well, and here I'll be setting today's date. And if I submit it right away, then you can see here that in estimate cash, there is a cash out of rupees 4,000 as my salary here, which shows my total expenditure for today. So in a similar manner, you can click the calendar option here and you can check the expenditure or cash flow for any date that you want. So as you can see that I'm checking for 28th of April and there is a cash in of 5,668 rupees, right? And via this, we can always check the amount of money that has entered our shop or the sales that we've done in that particular day. I can find all the information here. I can also see the closing balance for today. And lastly, if you see below, you can see the option for GST filing here, via which if you've created any bill or any invoice, then you can pay or receive GST from here. So only via a click you can file your GST right away, and visibly GST filing is also very easy. Thank you friends.